Ever found yourself wrestling with expense reports, wondering if there's a magic wand to zap all that data directly into your accounting software? Specifically, if you're a QuickBooks user, have you ever wished Expensify and QuickBooks would just talk to each other seamlessly? It's a question that many small business owners, bookkeepers, and even individual contractors grapple with. You've got your receipts piling up, your business trips logged, and perhaps a stack of credit card statements. On one hand, Expensify is a titan in the world of expense management, lauded for its intuitive receipt scanning, automated expense reporting, and employee reimbursement features. It's designed to streamline the messy process of tracking every dime spent. On the other hand, QuickBooks, whether you're using QuickBooks Online or desktop, is the undisputed heavyweight champion of small business accounting. It's where you manage your invoices, track your income and expenses, reconcile your bank accounts, and ultimately, get a clear picture of your financial health. So, the natural next step, the logical desire, is to connect these two powerful tools. But does Expensify actually link to QuickBooks? And if so, how well do they play together? The answer, thankfully, is a resounding yes. Expensify does indeed link to QuickBooks, and the integration is designed to make your life significantly easier. This isn't some clunky, manual export-import process, it's a robust connection built to save you time and reduce errors. Here's how it generally works and what you can expect. Expensify acts as the primary data entry point for your expenses. You or your team members capture receipts, categorize expenses, and submit expense reports directly within Expensify. This includes everything from travel costs to office supplies. Once an expense report is approved in Expensify, it can be seamlessly exported to QuickBooks. This isn't just a summary, the integration allows for detailed transaction data to flow into your QuickBooks file. This means that individual expenses, along with their categories, vendors, and even attached receipts, can appear in QuickBooks, providing a comprehensive audit trail. You have a significant degree of control over how this data is mapped. Expensify allows you to map your expense categories to your QuickBooks chart of accounts. This ensures that when an expense like travel is reported in Expensify, it gets recorded under the correct travel expenses account in QuickBooks. This level of customization is crucial for maintaining accurate financial records. One of the biggest benefits is the automation of reimbursements. If you're reimbursing employees through Expensify, those reimbursement transactions can also be pushed to QuickBooks, ensuring that your books reflect the correct outgoing payments. This eliminates the need for manual data entry for each reimbursement, a significant time saver. The integration is generally straightforward to set up, usually involving authorizing the connection between your Expensify and QuickBooks accounts within Expensify's settings. While the exact steps might vary slightly depending on whether you're using QuickBooks Online or desktop, the core functionality remains consistent. The goal of this integration is clear: to eliminate manual data entry, reduce the likelihood of errors, and free up your time so you can focus on more strategic aspects of your business. No more frantically searching for lost receipts or spending hours trying to reconcile disparate expense data. With Expensify and QuickBooks working in tandem, your expense management becomes a much smoother, more efficient process, leading to cleaner books and greater peace of mind. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.